there we have it. We're all finished up. We've got the edges with beeswax. Doesn't look too bad. So we'll just go ahead and take our bone folder through it one more time. Okay, looks really good. So we'll put on a little, get that fine, get a little water here. Just put a little bit of water on. Use that squirt gun. It gets a little bit too much water sometimes, but it's okay. I just want to put a little water on here and get some of this gum trag off of the surface. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right. So now we can take our card. We'll get a credit card here, or a fake one. You could try it. Looks pretty good. As long as your credit card didn't come up over the top of that, we're in good shape. It doesn't. Comes right to it, but not over. It's good. This is for our bill slots. Yeah. Yeah, I wondered if it would be wide enough for credit cards, and it's not. So yeah, this is strictly bill slots here. These are for credit cards. These are bill slots only, or other paper. And so are these. Actually, these, I think, could be for credit cards too, maybe. I don't know. You wouldn't be able to get them in this way. You'd have to just put them in. Well, you can't even do them that way either, so no. Credit cards are going to be these slots only. If you can't tell, it's the first time I've made this particular style one. Doesn't mean I don't know how to make them, but once you've made a few thousand wallets, you pretty much get the hang of how to make a wallet. It'd be nice to make this a little taller and be able to put your credit cards in this slot. Yeah, it's not going to happen. It's not even close. Even if you took the stitching completely out, it's still going to have some aspect of glue. anyway, there we go. That is all finished, so I would say please like, subscribe, comment to this YouTube channel. I'd appreciate that. The algorithms help YouTube pick everything up and promote. And I'm hoping to, by making these videos, my intention is to get more people back into the custom leather arena so that we can get more leather makers out there to even start their own business and to make leather projects for customers, family, whomever, maybe even for stores or what have you, because the handmade leathercraft art is slowly dying, and it's a craft worth saving, and it's something that once dies, I don't know how it would ever come back, but that's my goal, is to teach some classes on how people can get into the leather business and can start doing this craft and making some pretty good money at it, having their own business and having some freedom, financial freedom. So that's my ultimate goal. And so hopefully we can get that going, and if I can help a couple people and they can help a couple people and people can pay it forward in return, as time goes on, this information can get out there, and maybe we can get enough makers out there making leather products for clients that will keep this industry vibrant. So anyway, please like, share, subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.